In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Shopify account in Germany for only $1. So if you live in Germany, you want to start dropshipping and then you don't have enough money to start, or you just want to try dropshipping, so this video is for you. For only $1, you will get 3 months for $1 only per month on Shopify. So I don't know how long this discount will stay, but if you click the link in the description right now, this is an affiliate link, you will get the discount. So make sure you do it quick, because this discount is not staying too long if you live in Germany. So this is only for the people that live in Germany. The discount is available right now. So again, click the link in the description to create your account, and you will pay only $1 per month until December on Shopify. So click right here. When you click the link, you will come right here and then click on start free trial, so you can start. And then just those one you can skip it. Click right here, skip all, and then choose your country, Germany, and then click next. Then log into your account. Then you will see this option. Click right here, select plan, and then here you can choose the basic plan. Is only $1 per month for 3 months. So you can choose basic plan, or you can choose that one too, but most people use this one. Just click on choose basic plan. As you can see, you will get 2 days free, and then September 23 you will pay $1, and then October you will pay $1. You will be charged until December. So again, this is a discount ongoing on right now. If you click the link in the description, you will be able to get the discount if you live in Germany. And then when you're done, put your business address, your payment method, credit card, debit card, and then click subscribe. And then you can finish setting up your store later on, or check my other video to set up your store. Until next time, peace.